Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this 3D asset for your films, your skits, or your projects. And like always, you can download all the assets, all the project files by clicking in the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. So when you download the project files, you're going to have two video files in here. And again, I always upload my video files with no alpha background. So again, you can just drag and drop, and they have no background. So you could just drag it in and you'll have your planet. You can put it in the palm of your hand, you can put it above your head, wherever you want. There is no background, it just fills it in with the black here in this editing software. And I have the full front lit, or if you want, I also offer a full side lit, but just the side with a shadow in the background over here. And that's pretty much it. Just drag and drop. You can use it on any editing software that you want, Premiere, After Effects, whichever you want to use. So if you like this content, hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button. Subscribe for more, and thank you all.